Are you looking for the best robotic pool cleaners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best robotic pool cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Dolphin Nautilus CC+. The Dolphin Nautilus CC+ Wi-Fi Automatic Robotic Pool. Vacuum cleaner is a convenient plug-and-play solution for keeping in-ground pools up to 40 feet clean. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere, while its wall-climbing scrubber brush ensures thorough cleaning of pool floors and walls. The top-load filter basket makes debris removal easy, promoting crystal-clear water with minimal effort. Designed for efficiency, it powers on immediately when placed in the pool, completing a cleaning cycle in about 2 hours. While it provides reliable floor and partial wall cleaning, it may not fully clean the water line, and its filtration system is standard rather than ultra-fine. Backed by Dolphin's 40-plus years of experience, the Nautilus CC+ Wi-Fi offers durability, performance, and hassle-free pool maintenance, making it a solid choice for standard residential pools. Number 2. AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. The AIPER Seagull SE is a cordless, compact robotic pool vacuum designed for above-ground or flat-bottom pools up to 40 feet. Its lightweight, sleek design allows for easy maneuverability, and with a simple one-button operation, it offers hassle-free cleaning. The vacuum features powerful suction and large-capacity filter bags to capture dirt, debris, and leaves, helping maintain crystal-clear pool water. It also includes self-parking technology, which directs the cleaner to the pool edge when the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery is low. While effective for basic pool maintenance, it does not climb walls or clean the water line and has a limited runtime compared with corded models, making it best suited for smaller, simple pool layouts. Number 3. WYBOT S2 Solar Robotic Pool Cleaner. The WYBOT S2 Solar Robotic Pool Cleaner 2025 upgrade is a high-end automated pool cleaner designed for in-ground pools up to 3,229 square FT. It features dual charging modes, including solar-powered docking, allowing the robot to recharge automatically and maintain frequent cleaning cycles with minimal intervention. The S2 offers comprehensive cleaning with its 3D absorption system, covering floors, walls, and the water line, and supports enhanced scheduled and area-specific cleaning via a mobile app. While it provides convenient self-charging and smart scheduling, its solar efficiency can be limited in shaded areas, and for very large or heavily soiled pools, manual charging may occasionally be needed. Overall, it is ideal for pool owners seeking automated, hassle-free maintenance with advanced features, though it comes at a higher price point compared to basic robotic cleaners. Number 4. Beatbot AquaSense Pro. The Beatbot AquaSense Pro Pool Robot Vacuum is a high-end, fully automated cleaner designed for in-ground pools up to 3,299 square feet. It features a 5-in-1 cleaning system that covers floors, walls, waterline, surface skimming, and water clarification, aided by the included clarifying agent kits. With Wi-Fi and app control, intelligent navigation, and a cordless design, it delivers efficient cleaning with strong suction and thorough coverage. While it offers advanced automation and convenience, it comes at a premium price, and some users note occasional navigation issues or less effective skimming of fine debris. Overall, it is ideal for pool owners seeking a comprehensive, hands-off cleaning solution for larger pools. Number 5. INTEX Deluxe Pool Cleaner. The INTEX Deluxe Pressure-Side Above Ground Automatic Pool Cleaner, ZX300, is designed for above-ground pools up to 26 feet in diameter, or 36 feet, XRO 12 feet rectangular. It connects to the pool's inlet fitting and uses water pressure from the pump to drive cleaning, with dual dirt scrubbing rollers and an all-wheel drive system that climbs walls up to the waterline. Equipped with a 21-foot tangle-free hose and a removable debris tray, it effectively removes leaves, dirt, and fine debris. While it provides reliable floor and wall cleaning, its performance depends on having a sufficiently powerful pump, and brush wear may require periodic maintenance. Overall, the ZX300 offers convenient, cost-effective automation for above-ground pools, delivering thorough cleaning with minimal effort.